Yeah, so tiling floors. It's not just about the tiling, it's also about the doors, the architraves. And the machines that you need. We use a track saw. Also you're going to need multi-cutters, disc cutters, various other bits and bobs, because you're raising the floor height, so all the doors now need to be trimmed, and on top of the doors you've got to cut into the frames the architraves so that the tiling goes underneath and doesn't show that it was actually a tile on tile, because the idea of the project is to make it look like it's always been the same. Adds the value of the property and it don't look like a Mickey Mouse job. So yeah, I'm going to get on and trim all the doors up while the guys are getting all the skirtings off, and then we'll catch up later. Putting the tiles down. I'm using a self-leveling peg. Going to the bedrooms yesterday. We also got some vent holes in here, some vent holes over here. So yeah, we're now about to clear this lot and put the skirtings on and grout it, and then move on into the lounge areas and kitchen. So we're going to be busy. So whatever it is you're doing, I hope you're busy. Have a good day. Chat later.